Imagine a world where the cameras used in cinematography, in medicine, in security, even on your cell phone, are no longer equipped with just one lens, but with dozens of them. Instead of having to operate these cameras with complicated maneuvers in difficult situations, imagine that we could capture all angles at once and leave the choice of focal point to the spectator or the doctor. Professor Leblebici takes us into the fascinating world of 360-degree cameras.
We've seen here, which consists of 44 5-megapixel high-definition cameras that is capable of producing a 360-degree hemispherical view in real time at high frame rate. Now, as a final challenge, we took it upon ourselves to develop very, very miniaturized systems, such as this one. This is a little hemisphere that has a diameter of 1 centimeter, only 10 millimeters, and with a position of 24 cameras on it. And the intention of a device like this could be medical endoscopy. A device such as this one that you see here on my fingertip that consists of 24 individual imagers on a 10 millimeter hemisphere tip that could produce a streaming video output for inspection, for medical inspection, but not only limited to medical applications, which could also be used in search and rescue operations.
We can put this camera inside very narrow spaces like this tube. So to test this situation, we put an EPFL logo, and we are now putting this tube around our camera system that you can see the individual images as well as the composite image on the screen.
And more recently, we have developed a virtual reality motion-sensitive goggle interface that allows the user to turn his or her hand left and right and then inspect the 360-degree vision field in real time. To our knowledge, this is the first time that these types of virtual reality goggles can be attached to a streaming real-time video. And this system could offer both the patient and the doctor a very comfortable option, so that the details that the doctor needs to see cannot be missed, and it also does not cause any discomfort to the patient.
Whether in the domain of cinema or medicine, traditional video recording techniques may well be supplanted by high-definition cameras, capturing the entire field of view in 360 degrees, allowing for a degree of comfort and flexibility that has never been equaled.